guys, today's Valentine's Day, and today I'm at Disney's Animal Kingdom. And I thought, what better way to celebrate it than hang out with my girl Kevin. If you guys didn't know, Kevin from the movie Up is a new character here that just wanders around Disney's Animal Kingdom. So I thought, why not try and meet her? And while I'm doing that, I'm also gonna try to meet Russell and Doug, and I'm gonna watch the Up bird show. So let's do that now. So I went to the store, and look what I see! It's Kevin! So cute! He's adorable! And just a Doug! I love how the legs and head are bendable. Like, look when someone gets that one. Okay guys, so I actually have a Disney gift card that Kara from the Magic Geekdom gave to me. They're too nice, I love them. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy this. So let's do it. Okay guys, I just got my Kevin. And look over there's Kevin! Guys, look at Kevin! Beautiful! I did not expect this. It's beautiful. Wow. I absolutely love Kevin. I actually expected Kevin to be a little smaller, but like...
She's huge.
Yes. It was kind of strange when I was just walking, then whoop, there's a big bird just... Whoop.
I think Kevin likes your shirt.
Do you want to give her a hug? Sure. Yeah, just really, really gentle. Right here. She's really soft feathers right there.
Oh my gosh. It's so cute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That was so cute. She's a sweetheart. That's the best Valentine's Day.
The best. I love it. I like how now we're all just following Kevin. Like we were like planning to go to the Up like bird show, and then we just saw Kevin and we're like, never mind, Kevin, yes.
Who needs real nature?
Bye, Kevin.
Oh my gosh!
That's the show we're supposed to be in right now.
Okay, guys, so we just followed Kevin here, and now we decided that we're gonna go see the Up bird show.
Look, we made it, boy! Thanks to our Wilderness Explorer Compass, we're here!
So, who are you?
My name is Russell, and I am a Wilderness Explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Oh, shabash, Russell. And who is your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Sheep boy! Speak boy!
Hi there.
Did he just say what I think he said?
Hi there. My name is Doug.
Oh my, you can talk? I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Doug. You talk? Yeah, a talking dog with a bird friend.
Right, Kevin.
Yeah.
Does he talk like people too?
Oh no, the bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
She is baby Birdie's. Oh yes, she does.
So what does Kevin look like?
I'll show you. I have a picture.
Thank you, Russell.
Oh, so that's a Kevin bird.
Well, let's hang it for everyone to see.
Okay. Yup, Kevin has long legs,
She can run very fast,
very fast, and she's colorful.
loud, and big.
Well, I can see that. Sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
We did. Kevin is the reason we love birds so much.
Well, that's great. You see, Kevin was just the beginning.
Yeah, do you all want to meet some more birds that call this place home?
Yeah!
Look at that, Doug.
That is an interesting bird.
Miles is a trumpeter hornbill from Africa. These birds are designed for extreme flying.
I know. Would all of you like to see just how Miles flies in the wild?
Yeah!
Wonderful. Okay, I'll help. We're going to create a forest in the wilds right now. So if you're seated on the end of the row here in our lower center section, stand up and then turn to face the explorer just across the aisle from you. Seated on the end of the row, turn to face the explorer across the aisle. Great job, you trees. Great. Looks like we're in the forest. Now hold it.
All right, you guys, Miles is just as fast on his way home. Here he comes!
Excellent! All right. Let's give all of our accomplishments.
Look at you!
You sure did.
We have to show you this bird.
Thank you so much, Katie. Keto is a double yellow-headed Amazon pig. Has lived around people her whole life, so she's learned to show off her personality in some pretty fun ways. We have a greeting audience, Keto. How about a greeting? Hey, Keto, you want to do my favorite one? How about your tiger?
Excuse me.
Oh my God. What do you say, Keto? Are you ready? Okay, let's sing. McDonald had a farm. All right, well, for those of you that are still in the theater, if anybody is interested, we would love a little help with a training session. We have a brand new bird that is almost ready to be in shows. All this bird needs to do is practice his behavior in front of people. So if you guys are willing,
Waiting to see what she'd like to do, I can tell you a little bit about how we do our training. So it's all done with positive reinforcement. So what that means simply is that whenever she does the correct behavior, the result for her is something that she likes. And usually in our world, that's their favorite treats. Oh, there she is on the wall. That's a good sign. All right, so now let's see. Oh, here she comes. Great. So she's on the radio. You notice we don't have sound, but that's okay. So there she goes. So that was good. So she's gonna get lots of yummy treats for that. And then I assume we might try it again with music and sound. And again, if she doesn't do it correctly, we're just gonna make it easier. We'll have less people tomorrow. So it's just about looking at the behavior and figuring out how to make the behavior easy for the animal and then make it really positive and fun for them as well. So the way that we actually train this, a little bit of behind the scenes, the secret of this behavior, is that there's a little metal washer on top of that radio that the bird is actually picking up and taking into the window and then putting into a little metal bowl. We call that a retrieve behavior. And the reason that we do that is because we found if we just asked them to touch the radio, it was kind of unclear for them. They weren't quite sure exactly what they were doing that was earning that treat, that reinforcer. And also we played around with just putting a treat on the radio to see if that would do anything. And what we found in that scenario was if they didn't like the treat, then they didn't touch the radio, so then they couldn't change the radio station. We also found that we have a lot of songbirds in the area that might take the treat before the bird comes out. So what was most easiest for the bird to clearly understand is to every time I clearly pick up this object, there's some wild birds on cue, that I bring it in and I get that treat. All right, let's see how she does. Learning in progress, so that's really neat. So clearly she needs more practice, so we will do that same thing for the next couple days. We will continue with this size audience since we were able to have success. Our next steps would be to fade out that prompt so Corey won't have to wave her, and then we will go to a bigger audience, and then finally a full show, hopefully in the next couple weeks.
Okay guys, so I just got out of the bird show, and the ending was spectacular because they picked a little part of the audience to stay. Sorry, I have the hiccups. But they picked a little part of the audience to stay because they're training a new bird. And they've already trained them. They just haven't done it in front of an audience, so they needed a little audience.
To test it out.
And it was amazing to see the process of how they train the bird. They said in a couple weeks they hope that they'll be ready for the show. And guys, I also want to talk about Kevin, because she was spectacular. She was way, way, way taller than I expected her to be. And she was so beautiful. So beautiful. And I didn't know that she'd just be walking around. I thought that she'd have her own little place. And she'd just be standing there, being Kevin. But I could see that there was some puppeteering on the head, and there was human legs. Amazingness. I even got to hug her. I got to hug her. I loved her. So in the distance there'd be real birds just flying around squawking, and then she'd just be squawk. I don't know how to do a bird impression. But it was just they're having conversation. And then I think the birds are responding because they squawk, then Kevin squawks, then they squawk again. It was really funny too. So let's go try to meet Doug and Russel. It's Kevin again. Kevin. Where do you want to go?
Oh. What do you think Kevin was trying to say?
Hi.
I think so too.
Probably saying hi to all the viewers, to you guys.
I would like to chase something. Do you see something that I can chase?
What can he chase? He can chase a mouse. That's you.
I can chase a child.
Want to do it again? See what he says?
Oh, I smell churros. I like churros very much.
Were they talking about churros?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to meet Doug and Russel.
That was exciting.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay guys, so just met Doug and Russell and they were so cute. I had a super fun time here today. Well, if you like this video and want to see more footage like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. They're so cute.